Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing the weight challenge. And if you don't know what the weight challenge is, basically, we're going to catch as much fish as we can, and we're going to weigh every fish we catch, including the small ones and also the big ones, and we're going to see how much weight we could fill up. So stay tuned for that. Oh, was that a fish?
Yeah, it was a Mayan.
Okay, start the video.
Ant got one.
No, I have
Oh,
one.
he had a Mayan. Oh, the bass!
Bass. Got one.
Ant got a bass.
Broken micro rod, guys.
On the broken micro rod. That's terrible. It's like, oh, look at the bass. Oh, look at the bass. Did you see the bass hit the bluegill? The bass hit the bluegill. Oh, there's another bass. There we go. This is Ant's bass right here. And there's another one down there.
Guys, alright, record. Alright. And the big. Alright, guys, so we're going to weigh him. He is 0.15 ounces.
We'll try like
1 pound.
Yeah.
1 pound. Alright, guys, so Angelo just caught this decent bass. So we're going to weigh him and get a weight. Alright, guys, he is 0.14.
No, that's not correct.
Yes, it is. This is 0.14. Alright.
Ant's got a nice bass for it. Oh, this is a good one, actually.
And,
This looks like the big one, actually. No,
and
no,
I'm
no.
going to weigh
this
this,
is
so
not
I'll get... Alright, guys, we're weighing it right now.
I'm going to say 2. Over 2. No, probably just 2.
Okay. It is 1.8. That sounds good. Alright, guys.
We're releasing this
Yeah.
guy.
There he goes.
The water.
Alright, guys, I have a Mayan cichlid.
It's got a nice Mayan. It's actually big.
Oh,
look
man. Guys, look at my rod bend. Here he is.
Oh my
We're gonna get away on him. He should add another 1.5 pounds. Alright, guys, let me put you down real quick.
Oh my god.
Yes, guys. Alright, guys, this fish, I just weighed it. It is 3.5. He's a big fish. Show us the gut. The gut of the fish. Look at that.
We're weighing this fish, and I got scales all in my hand. Okay, let's see what it is.
Wait. Wait, it's not right. Wait.
This fish needs to look.
What the? Yeah, this scale sucks.
What did it say? It's like 1. That's 1.
No, it's, yeah. He looks 2.
Isn't that guy? Goodbye. Goodbye.
He's 2. Alright, guys. So I just caught
It's
this
got
nice
a nice
bass.
bass.
Here, wait, let me bring it around.
I'll bring it around. I'll grab it. You'll bring it around. I'll grab it. I'll grab it.
I got it.
Okay.
Alright, guys, I'm bringing him around.
I'll grab it.
I got it.
Alright, you want me to go? Or I'll hold your rod? Or just do that.
Alright, guys, it's a nice fish.
Nice bass.
Alright, guys, so that fish was 1 pound. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Our final bag was 7.56 pounds. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Peace.